Okay, so what just came in today was my new keyboard. Here, let's just get this thing out. Let's cut it. Bought it from Tiger Direct. 70, I think. No, my bad. 50. I'm using a pencil. So here we go. Shitload of packing peanuts. So we must have really took care of this fucker. So happy, haven't had a keyboard for a week or two. I think it was 2. Ask to get open. Okay, here we go. Shitload of packing peanuts. Shut it up. Okay, here's what the box looks like. When it first comes in, there's a bunch of packing peanuts. Let's get it. I don't want to make a mess. Haha! Here we go! Creative Fatal1ty gaming keyboard. Smaller than I thought it would be, as a matter of fact. To say, front of box graphics are pretty cool. So if you ever decide to get one of these, I got mine in 5 days, and I'm in New York. I got it off Tiger Direct. Came from Miami. Let's pop this sucker open. Just get it right here. Just get this. Ooh. Just probably a good keyboard. It's by Creative. Haven't seen. Oh. Nice box. Sorry that I'm not looking at the camera. I'm using a webcam right now, so it's shit quality. So, just get it open. Oh, fuck. Okay, there we go. Ooh, nice. Fucking thin. Oh my god. Here is the keyboard itself. Let's get this plastic off it. This is my first unboxing video, and it's fucking awesome. Let's get this shit off. Shorter wire than expected, but okay. Thin. Look how thin this fucker is. Oh my god. Look how thin. Oh my god. This is a keyboard. No, I chose the right one. Oh, here we go. Close up video. This is the wrong side. Okay. Number pad. The only reason why I'm looking up at the screen is because I don't. Oh, you know what? I can't really explain it. Keys itself. Oh my god. Fatal1ty. Okay, let's see what it comes with. Safety and regulations. Useless. Customer support. Okay, quick start. Now, I'm going to, oh my god, so fucking sexy. Tiny, oh my god. Insane. Nothing I can really say about it. chose the right keyboard. Okay. So, now that we got that unboxing over with, oh shit, there goes a bunch of packing peanuts. This, I know I showed it, the Fatal1ty Creative Gaming Keyboard. Oh my god. I know I chose the right one. And when I get my other stuff from Tiger Direct or Newegg.com, I will show you unbox that too. The reason why I got this is because my other keyboard pooped out, shit out on me. There we go. Going with that one. So, hopefully, this thing treats me good. And I wonder if the wire's long enough. That's the only thing I'm worried about, but it should be. So, with that said, go with this keyboard. I know I haven't used it yet, but all I know is it's supposed to be good. So, see ya. Now let me get up and turn this camera off.